So, let's have a look at this gentleman. A gentleman without a skin, of course. This is a small model. It's a lovely model. So, what do you understand by the anterior portion? Obviously, this is the head, and this end is the other end of the head. So, we have the anterior portion, and anything beyond it is towards the posterior end, or towards the tail as you call it, down. And if you look at this particular organism, you will find the belly region. So when you are able to see the belly region, this is usually referred by the ventral side. So you have the front side or the belly side, this side, it is referred as ventral. However, if you twist this particular body and then you see the back side, so this is what we call the dorsal side. And if you run an imaginary line all across the midline of the body, this is called the medial or the midline or the medial plane, and the two sides are referred by the word lateral or sides of the body. Now, what is called distal part? So, from the middle portion of the body, anything away from the middle, maybe towards the head or towards the tail, is called distal parts. And anything nearer to the middle is called the proximal parts. Now, let me ask you an interesting question. What is pelvic? Or what is pectoral? We have our nipples in the pectoral region. That is exactly in the chest region. However, this is not so in case of a cow. So, anything beyond the mid region or towards the hip region would be called pelvic zone. That is where the hind limbs come from. So you have the nipples or the udder in cattle in that very place. That demarcates the difference of the two words pectoral versus the pelvic.